Are you visiting Australia from overseas? Or do you live in Australia and need to arrange travel insurance for friends or family visiting you? If that's you, you might be finding it tricky to find cover. Most insurers in Australia require you to be a resident to qualify for cover, but there are options out there for you. Keep reading for more details. What are visitors' options? Visitors to Australia can either choose to buy a policy from within their own country or opt for overseas visitors cover, which unfortunately only a handful of companies in Australia offer. What is overseas visitors cover? And what are the conditions? Overseas visitors policies generally are for those travelers coming to Australia on holiday or business who have forgotten to buy a policy before they left their home country. A visitor's policy will typically cover your flight to Australia, the time while you are here, but cover will stop when you reach immigration at the airport when you are returning home. Age restrictions may apply. All or the majority of your trip must be within Australia to qualify for cover. A waiting period might be applied to medical claims. Must purchase within a specified time frame of landing in Australia. If you have Medicare, you may not be eligible for cover from some providers. What's typically included? Medical cover within Australia. Medical expenses for injury or illness including hospital stays, surgery, dental, prescription drugs, doctor and dentist office visits. You will not be covered for medical treatment outside of Australia. Luggage and personal items, loss, theft or damage to luggage and personal items. Personal liability cover in the event that you are found to be legally liable for accidental injury or damage you may have caused to another person or their property. Cancellation fees and lost deposits, the cost of rearranging or canceling your journey because of unforeseen circumstances such as illness, accidents and extreme weather conditions. Rental vehicle excess cover for the excess payment on your rental vehicle's insurance if the car you are driving is involved in an accident or is stolen. Hospital cash allowance, a daily allowance, if you are hospitalized overseas, allowance will start after a specified period of time spent in hospital. Like any policy, there are exclusions around pre-existing medical conditions and cancellation cover, so make sure you understand your cover by reading the product disclosure statement before you buy. Just after medical-only cover? If you're finding it difficult to get travel insurance but are mainly concerned about medical benefits, perhaps you'd consider overseas visitors' health insurance cover instead. A few Australian health insurers, not travel insurers, offer cover to non-Australians, but remember these policies will not include any travel insurance benefits like cancellation, luggage, or personal liability benefits at all. Australian Unity, Bupa, HBF, HCF and Medibank all offer visitors health cover. Do you qualify for Medicare? Some countries have reciprocal healthcare agreements with Australia such as New Zealand, the United Kingdom, the Republic of Ireland, Sweden, the Netherlands, Finland, Italy, Belgium, Malta, Slovenia, and Norway. Lucky for you, if you're from one of these countries and you've got your Medicare card, you're covered through medical treatment you received while you're here already. Are you a non-resident living in Australia for a few years? If you're in Australia on a working holiday visa, 417, a sponsorship visa, 457, a de facto visa, or even a student visa, you should look into non-permanent resident travel insurance rather than a visitor's policy. Whether you're here for a quick visit or an extended break, overseas visitors' travel insurance cover is a vital part of every trip. Get cover today to ensure a smooth sailing, stress-free holiday. Thanks for watching.